Hindi ya gikaro na kamiti ya bunge igie kigina kia muingi, Ngavana wa bengi nene Patrick Njoroge ni athingireire ritana riake akiuga gutire mundu gwitikirio gutuma kana kwamukira mbeca ikirite ciringi mirioni imwe hatari kugerekwo ni bengi o yothe.
It is true you can give us a law to implement, but if it is impossible to implement, we cannot implement. In a sense, it is an implementable law, so it is unimplementable, and that is the issue. So no matter how much we try to do it, to implement it, we will fall on our face.
Gikaro-ini giki abunge amwe nimamenereirie ritana ria Njoroge makiuga ni aragarara watho wa kuramata bengi uria bahitukirio mwaka-ini wa 2016 undu ria Njoroge erumite kini akiuga undu uyu ungitikirio bururi waya gwikora hatika-ini ya nginyagia gwikirirwo mihinga ni honge cia kigina cia kimabũrũri.
We think we would be better advised to follow this one. Not for you to choose out there and just ignore the house. It's not.
It is very clear that you have refused to implement the law. Would I say that? Should I not conclude that you are not an obedient servant of this country?
Now, the war against corruption, dear members, money laundering, and terrorism financing will be impaired if indeed the requirements on cash withdrawal and deposits are weakened. And I just explained what the economic consequences could be. You will not be able to send or receive money from outside the country except under very stringent conditions. And the point again here is that blacklisting and being unplugged from the global financial sector, financial system would have implications on things that we take for granted. Kenya would be locked out of the global financial system, and this would have adverse impact for all of us.
Kuringana na Njoroge kwa ihinda riri no muigana wa gicunjĩ kia kifungu turuma mugwanja harĩ igana wa Kenya uhotaga gukinya muigana wa ciringi mirioni imwe akaunti-ini ciao cia bengi. Uguo kinyaniria wa watho uyu ndugukorwo uri uritu o wothe. Ciĩgiĩ thirĩ wa bũrũri, Ngavana Njoroge ni agwetete thirĩ uyu gukinyaniria ciringi tiririoni 5.27, muigana uria bengi nene yugite ni uguthie thi harĩ mwaka turi wa kigina. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mbataru wa Mwangi.